Hello everyone, today I will introduce our robot. Our robot is used to collect the rings. When you press this button, the robot will move forward. When it moves in front of the rings, there is a shovel. The shovel will lift the ring. And at the same time, the sensor here will sense the ring. It will let the machine stop and pass the information to here. There's a motor. The motor will begin to rotate. The ring is on the shovel. When it rotates, it will through the roof let it screw rotate. So this shovel will move to the up and put the ring to here on this stick. So that is how this machine works. Thank you everyone.
In this PBL project, we've been exploring two interesting fields, the robot building and the AI training. When building robots, I learned how different mechanical parts work together and use code to control their movement. And AI training teaches me that how to process the data and make the robot think by itself. And I trust that these experiments will not only deepen our understanding of the knowledge, but also help me to inspire the real-world problem in the future.
When we make the robots, we have problems. We are building it in the wrong direction and have to start over. My group members and I worked hard with teachers to make a new robots. Although we didn't have much time, but we finished robots. After that, I saw there are still many things we didn't do perfectly, but we tried our best. I will remember this experience.
Pre-competition, we developed the equipment and we built the carbon fiber frames with our teacher Nathan. And also, we programmed our robot movements. Despite we had some few mistakes in our competition, like during the scans, but we won the gold.